Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLume 3-Pack Screen Protector Plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Google Trends Hub, where we dive into the latest trends and stories that shape your online experience. Today, we're talking about a proposal from the Department of Justice that could have a significant impact on how you search the web. Imagine walking into a library, asking for help with a specific book, and expecting the librarian to keep all those searches private. That's what many of us are used to when it comes to Google search. But now, the government is proposing that Google share its search data with competitors, which could fundamentally change how we search. Google's head of search, Elizabeth Reed, testified before the court, saying that this proposal would deeply undermine user trust and put consumers' search privacy at risk. If Google were to share its ranking signals and other search data with rivals, it could create an incentive for hackers to target small competitors. Reed emphasized that once this data is shared, there's no further protection for users. Now, we know the government argues that this change would level the playing field and end Google's search monopoly. But what does that mean in practice? For one, smaller competitors might be more vulnerable to cyber attacks since they don't have the same resources as big tech companies like Google. This could lead to a loss of trust among users who are concerned about their data being compromised. But it's not just about security. Sharing this data could also slow down innovation in search. Reed pointed out that building and maintaining the tools needed for this proposal would divert engineering talent toward tedious compliance work instead of working on new features that improve user experience. In fact, she estimated that more than 20% of Google's search engineering force would need to focus on compliance. The impact of these changes could be significant. Reed said that users might decide not to use Google altogether or avoid searching for certain categories if they're worried about their data being shared. And with the tools needed for this proposal, Google wouldn't be able to ship features that improve search experiences as quickly. So, what does this mean for you? As a user of Google search services, it's essential to stay informed about these changes and think critically about how they might affect your online experience. We'll keep following this story at Google Trends Hub and bring you updates as more information becomes available. That's all for today's episode of Google Trends Hub.